Everybody, how we doing? It's a bit of a wet, miserable Saturday here, but you'll maybe remember there was a wee video done a few days ago with Jason Sweeney and myself when we were talking about the importance of the Northern Ireland Children's Hospice, and he was organising a tractor run to raise some money for that, and it was in memory of his own son Alexander Sweeney, who sadly has passed away and is up in heaven now. And he wanted to give something back for the great effort and support that the Children's Hospice does. And we were talking about not just during the hard stages and difficult stages of the illness, but the aftermath, the counselling, the bringing people together and all the rest of it. So we came out today with our 3 blue tractors. One of them didn't start, but that's a different story. We'll blame that operator error. And the turnout of tractors here today has been absolutely fantastic. And this is, at this point, the run is over, and that's just the number of tractors that come back. So we captured a tiny little bit of it. It's been raining, we couldn't get drones up in the air or anything like that. But hey, just shows you the community spirit that exists, especially, and that's one of the things I always say about this little country here. The community spirit whenever you're looking to do a bit of charity work, etc. And we even managed to reprimand young Deere O'Mahony and got him on to the TM because he was up doing a haulage job in this part of the world, and you left the FH16 in the yard. That was pretty nice too. But big massive thanks to Blair for providing the stage. Neil's Peterbilt, she's a rod too. He gave me a run on that not that long ago. And everybody that's came along and supported, and as I say, you can see everything out in the background there. So what a super day, well done. Even if it is wet, it's all important. Just raise that few quid for charity, and remember guys, it's okay to not be okay. Anyone take us to 320?